It's moving day. We're heading down to Oregon Pipe National Monument. So today I wanted to show those who had asked how I keep my black tanks nice and clean. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to very quickly step you through that process, and we're going to use good old tidy. Okay? Of course, don't want to forget to get up and clean off the solar panels and make them nice and clean. Clean off the top of the slide. Make sure there's no dirt and dusties and any critters in there. And let's grease up the old ball hitch there a little bit. I don't put a lot on. Gotta get that done. And of course, first of all, we're going to empty the black tank. Let as much water go out as we can. And then I'm going to go in, so I'm going to shut this off, go inside and do another step for you, okay? Okay, I've shut off the outside black tank valve, so that's going now. This is probably where I consider one of the more important parts. So what I'm going to do is put in about 4 gallons of water into the stool here. You can come over here so you can see what I'm doing. All right, and we're going to go right down that stool with about 4 gallons of water. I'm getting a good washing action out there. Now I'm going to go open up that stool, the black tank valve, one more time. And we're going to get a good rush of water coming out. One more time, so I can see there's still some more dark fluid coming out over there. So if you see a lot, I mean, you may as well go ahead and rinse it again if you have the water, if you see any dark matter coming out. Okay, no more black water coming out. So we're gonna close up the black tank valve and we're gonna flush this. Hose with gray water, pretty normal stuff. The best is yet to come. Alrighty, so what I consider the most important step is when we first started camping. I bought this, I think it's a 5-pound bag. You can see it. It's called FOCA, F-O-C-A. It's a laundry detergent and it has enzymes in it. And I was watching Pippi Peterson on her travels and she was using this along with some other things, and I said, well, this is better than nothing. So enzymes help, of course, break down bacteria. So what I'm going to do, I keep a little yogurt each cup, and I'm going to put that right down into the toilet. Black valve is closed. The gray water tank valve is closed. And I'm going to run this down in. And I want to run about a gallon, of water. So, I'll just keep an extra jug right here. A gallon, 3/4 a gallon, somewhere in there. But what's going to happen is the action when you're driving down the road, that water is going to slosh back and forth inside that tank. It's going to splash around, and it has a cleaning agent in it now, and that's going to help remove anything that might be in there. And like I said, we've been doing this since we bought this trailer and never have had a poop stink problem coming up from inside the tank. If we did, it means we needed to flush or dump. But this works great on the road for however many, 30 minutes all day, and it'll rinse that out. I'll also go ahead and put a little bit of that FOCA into the kitchen sink here, or kitchen bathroom sink, maybe about a half a cup. Rinse it down so it goes into the gray tank, and that'll help purify the smell if there is one. Alrighty, hope that helped out some, and everybody have a safe trip. We're heading to Oregon Pipe National Monument. Bye now.